Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can buy Bitcoin on Coinzoom app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Coinzoom app. And once you open your Coinzoom app, all you need to do is simply type in the credentials of your account and get logged in into it. So first of all, to buy Coin, you need to simply tap on three lines and simply go and hit on the overview option. So once you are in the overview section of your account, all you need to do is simply select any of the Bitcoins you want to purchase. So once you select it, all you need to do is simply hit on the buy option. Once you do this, you will end up in this page. So you need to now type in the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase, and after that you need to tap on the buy BTC. After you do this, you need to now simply click to confirm your order. Once you click on confirmation, your order has been placed, and this is how you buy Bitcoin on Coinzoom. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.